primary school, and that's now a funny story. I remember you at Langata Barracks, you might not remember that. All the way to the theatre. Pole sana, and let's hear what you have to say about our young man.
Thank you, Mwana. Hamjambo. Yes, I am Joe Mwadulo's father, and I plan to say something, I written something down to come and read it in front of you, but I don't think I will do so. I'll just speak openly about my son and appreciate the Lord for his doing. And I really appreciate the tributes you're giving to Joe, because you're saying exactly what he was. Very friendly, very charming. He was very, very active in sports. One thing I will not forget about Joe for me is I was not that active in sports. Mariah used to play a lot of football, used to knock me down. Joe used to play basketball. I played basketball in high school, and I was really surprised when he had. I was surprised by the fact that he enjoyed basketball more than football, and I would say probably it's in the blood. One major thing I remember Joe for is he really loved to challenge my English, and he really liked to do hard English words that sometimes I don't know where he used to pull them off. And as a writer, I would say he had a lot in him that I feel was taken away, and cannot do so much other than just appreciate the fact you loved Joe. And it's not going to be easy for many of you here. So it's not going to be easy also for me, but I have to forge on ahead and have to believe and trust in the Lord. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening.
Thanks very much, Morrison. Our senior Nulo, as I will call you. Now, Wangari, I think it's time you came and shared with us your life journey with our little boy. Let's appreciate Kareh.